Hi, I'm Ram. Today we'll learn correct pronunciation of geographical names, means names of countries and continents. So let's start. Non-native speakers of English often mispronounce these words. We often mispronounce it. We say Africa, but the correct pronunciation of the word is Africa. It's Africa. Africa. You can follow me or practice with me. Second word is America. America. It's America. America. Mind the stress pattern also. The primary stress is on M sound. That's why I pronounced it America. Third, it's Asia, 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 or you can also say it's Asia. Next, it's Australia. It's Australia. She lives in Australia. Primary stress is on S sound. Next is Bangladesh. It's Bangladesh. Bangladesh. Stress is on D sound. Next, it's Brazil. 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 Next is Burma. 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 Next, Canada. It's Canada. 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 I have earlier told you that if the sound starts with P, T and K, then the air is little aspirated. Means P is pronounced as F, T is T and K is K. That's why I pronounced as Canada. Canada. Next, it's Chile. 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 Another word is China. We often say it China, but mind the pronunciation, it's China. It's China. Another word is Colombia. 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 Next, Egypt. It's Egypt. Egypt. Next word is very important. It's Europe. It's Europe. Europe. But we say Europe. That is mispronounced. Next is France. France. Germany. 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 India. It's India. I live in India. India. Swa sound. Iraq. Iraq. Primary stress is on R sound. Next is Israel. 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 Next is Japan. 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 And the last word is Kenya. 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 So that's enough for the day. Next time we will learn the second part of this video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.